The internet, truly integrated with the human world now. From the moment we open our eyes, head to our jobs, connect with friends, and search for the answers we need to be our best, we turn to this one incredible tool. But as our interconnection with the web deepens, we find our data and even our devices are just not as safe as we might have thought. That's why it's extra important we understand how to protect and safeguard ourselves against the ever-growing threats online. With all that in mind, we actually wanted to see how the general public feels about cybersecurity. How seriously do they take it? And if they do, what are their concerns when it comes to online privacy? So we took to the streets of LA to find out.
Absolutely. I really do think that it's possible for anyone to hack into, it's so easy for people that are really tech savvy to hack in and see what you're searching, and obviously the government can hack in and see anything. So it's kind of scary to think that everything that I'm searching online and everything that I'm posting, even if I delete it, somebody out there has a record of it.
I think it's an important thing. You don't want to screw up a job opportunity or future employment or something like that, or even a personal relationship. So I think online privacy is something that everybody seeks to maintain, at least a modicum of. Yeah, I'm aware. People say that's an urban legend that people can kind of hijack your camera and be looking in at you. But maybe not so much of an urban legend, because I've heard media reports about that and stuff. So it is kind of frightening. I'm not the person who's gone so far as to tape over his camera, but it does concern me with all of these home devices and cameras scattered around the living space, who could be looking in or maybe puppeteering my life from afar.
Yeah, I feel like the online data privacy is one of those things where I want to have it, and I know it's a good thing to have, and I don't quite know how to go about it or the best way to go about it, but it scares me, the idea of somebody getting a hold of my information that I don't know.
After a while, a theme emerged. Most people were concerned about their online privacy, but they weren't even using any cybersecurity-focused tools. And worse, many interviewees were performing tasks that they didn't know could put their privacy and device at risk.
Yeah, I use an unknown or public Wi-Fi all the time when I go to coffee shops and things like that.
Yes, I do use unknown and public Wi-Fis.
Whenever I can get Wi-Fi, I'm always using it, commandeering it in my car, out in a public spot like this. Wi-Fi is like water in today's day and age, so I will use it whenever I see somebody who's not blocking me out with password protect.
I've seen a lot of videos of people publicly explaining how to hack people's public Wi-Fi, and it's horrible, but I'm definitely aware that it happens pretty commonly.
I do use a public Wi-Fi. Definitely when you go to Starbucks, that's always public. Or sometimes when you're just roaming, a lot of restaurants or Spectrum will just have their internet going everywhere, and sometimes your phone just auto-connects, and that can be scary.
I was not aware that they could hack in if I'm on a public Wi-Fi, and it's smart on their end, but terrifying for me.
Yeah, this is a topic we've talked about a lot. Public Wi-Fi. It's often unencrypted, so the internet service provider providing the Wi-Fi can actually see everything you're doing, and that connection itself can potentially be intercepted by a cybercriminal, particularly if you're visiting insecure websites while you're connected. Again, basic cybersecurity tools can help in this case. Something like a VPN, which would redirect and encrypt your traffic while you're connected to an unsecured Wi-Fi node, giving you a much more anonymous and private online experience, whether you're at home or in public spaces. Now, after hearing people's concerns, we wanted to know if they even knew what a VPN was and how it safeguards users.
No, I did not know a VPN makes most of my things untraceable.
I have not used a VPN.
I have used unknown or public Wi-Fis, and when I do, that's one of the times I specifically use a VPN. Yeah.
I mean, man, you're making me draw a blank. I don't think I have a huge subset of tools for privacy. I think I think I need some advice in that respect, because I'm kind of lost.
Yeah, I know that VPNs protect a lot of things, but I don't know, again, just finances aren't the best, so.
Finances, I feel you. By the way, if you're considering a cybersecurity product, well, I'll add our best recommendations alongside the best deals we could find in the description. Okay, so it would seem that people are hesitant to use cybersecurity tools either because of a lack of know-how or a fear of commitment, financial or otherwise. But we can't stress enough the importance of finding a VPN that's right for you. Just think about how much your data, your privacy is actually worth. Then know that it's likely worth even more to a cyber criminal than you realize. There are so many great reliable options that are tailored to different users. Also, many VPNs aren't just great for anonymity. They can also help you bypass all types of censorship and geo-block content. So hey, I'm curious, if I came across you in the streets, what would you say? Are you concerned about your privacy? Feel free to comment below. And hey, thanks for watching. It's really appreciated. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.